Welcome to another video. Keep watching to see how to make two versions of this elegant and simple card. Shown here are the supplies that you need to make version 1 of this card. The first step is to use your pencil and draw out the design. I've included a link to a free template in the description box below for you. Next, take your thin black pen to trace over the pencil lines that you had just previously drawn, and basically do what you need to trace over things accurately. So you can see I turned the card to get the lines a little bit straighter, and of course if you really want perfectly straight lines for the present or balloons, use a ruler. But I personally like the look of kind of the hand-drawn effect and not having the lines super straight. And continue tracing over all of the previously drawn pencil lines with your thin black pen until you've outlined all of the 4 shapes. You may want to use an eraser to go back in and erase any pencil lines, but otherwise, if you're happy with the design, version 1 of this simple card is complete. To make version 2, all you need are a few rhinestones and some glue. You can use whatever colors you wish, but I chose to use clear for the base of 2 of the balloons, blue for the top of the party hat, and then 1 pink accent on the cupcake, and a purple one on the top present, which again here is a bit hard to see given the lighting. And once you're happy with the placement, all you need to do is glue them on. Once the glue is dry, version 2 of this simple card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create 2 different versions of a really simple yet unique card.